Hi there, so this video is going to be only for people who bought their domain in a different website from where they bought their hosting.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Because what you need to do is connect the domain with the hosting, and you do that by setting your namespace servers. And here's how you do it. Wherever you bought your hosting, you need to contact them and ask them for your namespace servers that they gave you. And I'll show you in a second how that will look like. And then wherever you bought your domain, in my case, I bought my domain at GoDaddy.com, which is a very common, maybe it's the biggest place to buy domains, but it's a very, if it's not the biggest, it's one of the biggest places. And also I'll show you how to do it on GoDaddy, and then wherever your domains are, you just do similar steps, right? So basically, you go to domains, and you choose the domain name that you want to set the name servers for. See, domains, manage my domains, and then you choose your domain name. And in my case, these are what the domain name servers, domain namespaces look like. And I'm just going to set them. I'm just going to basically copy them. In my case, I'm copying it from a different domain that I have, but that's just a convenience issue for me. And so what you do is you go to, see how I have some defaults here? Well, the name servers, okay? So the domain name servers. And you go to manage. So you go to manage, and then you custom, and then you do one like that, and then you saw that you have another one like that. And just so you see, I have 13 and 14, so I got to do with 13 and with 14, and we are done. And it's supposed to take you, it's supposed to save, and then we're done. And it's supposed to take, it says up to 24 hours. Sometimes it's as little as 1 hour. So let's see how long that's going to take us. Before the domain name is set, before this change takes place, this is how the domain looks like, right? It says you registered the domain, but you didn't do anything with it. But once it's changed, the picture is going to change, and it's going to give us more directions. So once this kind of a picture changes for you, you know that you did it right, and that should happen in under 24 hours. So sometimes it takes like as little as an hour, or half an hour, or 2 hours. So you never know these things.